Learn English to Gujarati weekdays, Monday to Sunday in
Gujarati.
with
Somawar.
2.
Ravivar.
Welcome to the week. Hey, you are about to tame the wild beast known as the calendar. Today you will learn the weekdays in Gujarati without needing 7 cups of coffee. Meet the week in English first: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now meet the Gujarati crew.
Somawar. Mangalvar. Budhwar. Guruvar. Shukravar. Shanivar.
And
Ravivar.
if one of these looks fancy, do not worry. Your brain loves patterns, and this week has plenty of them. The Monday Monster. Let us start with the most dramatic day of all. Yes, the day that makes alarm clocks feel rude. Monday in Gujarati is
Somawar.
Say it slowly.
Somawar.
Picture a coffee mug screaming as Monday arrives. That coffee mug is shouting.
Somawar.
Try this. I have a meeting on.
Somawar.
School starts again on.
Somawar.
Memory trick. Some war sounds a bit like. Not a real war, just a war between your blanket and responsibility. Tuesday gets serious. Now the week puts on glasses and pretends to be productive. Welcome to Tuesday. Tuesday in Gujarati is
Mangalvar.
Say it.
Mangalvar.
We have class on.
Mangalvar.
The meeting is on.
Mangalvar.
Morning. Imagine a mango wearing a tie and saying, I am very important. I only attend meetings on.
Mangalvar.
Single quote. Quick contrast. Monday is
Somawar.
but Tuesday is
Mangalvar.
Wednesday the camel hump. You made it to the middle. This is the part of the week that says, well done, but also keep going. Wednesday in Gujarati is
Budhwar.
repeat it.
Budhwar.
We have a meeting on.
Budhwar.
School ends early on.
Budhwar.
Funny picture. A camel looks at the week and says, my hump? That is
Budhwar.
Single quote. It comes after
Mangalvar.
and before
Guruvar.
Thursday the wise one. Now we move to the day that sounds slightly philosophical, like it gives life advice while holding a calendar. Thursday in Gujarati is
Guruvar.
Say it clearly.
Guruvar.
A guru appears, points at your planner, and whispers.
Guruvar.
Very dramatic, very educational. We have a meeting on.
Guruvar.
School ends early on.
Guruvar.
Mini chain.
Budhwar. Guruvar. Shukravar.
Friday smells like freedom. You can almost hear people closing laptops already. Friday has entered the chat. Friday in Gujarati is
Shukravar.
repeat.
Shukravar.
We are meeting on.
Shukravar.
School ends early on.
Shukravar.
Imagine a chicken doing disco dance moves because it heard the word.
Shukravar.
Honestly, fair enough. Compare. Thursday is
Guruvar.
and Friday is
Shukravar.
Saturday in pajamas. Now the weekend arrives wearing slippers, carrying snacks, and refusing to answer emails. Saturday in Gujarati is
Shanivar.
say it.
Shanivar.
We will meet on.
Shanivar.
The market is very busy on.
Shanivar.
Picture a lazy cat sleeping all week, then suddenly jumping up and yelling.
Shanivar.
Single quote. Weekend pair.
Shanivar.
And
Ravivar.
Sunday sunshine. Last stop. The calm, sunny, cozy day that ends too fast and somehow still feels magical. Sunday in Gujarati is
Ravivar.
repeat it.
Ravivar.
We visit grandma on.
Ravivar.
The market is quiet on.
Ravivar.
Imagine the sun wearing sunglasses and announcing, today is
Ravivar.
no alarms, only snacks. And after
Ravivar.
comes the legendary
Somawar.
yes, the circle of life. Mini dialogue at the calendar. Let us make the words feel real. Listen to this tiny dialogue and imagine two friends who are trying very hard to be organized. A. What day is it tomorrow? B.
सोमवार,
A. When is the class? B. On.
मंगलवार,
A. When is the meeting? B.
बुधवार,
Or.
गुरुवार,
Wait, let me check. A. When do we celebrate? B.
शुक्रवार, शनिवार,
And maybe lazy.
रविवार.
2. Quick recall challenge. Your turn now. Do not panic. This is a friendly quiz, not a surprise exam from the universe. What is Monday in Gujarati?
सोमवार,
What is Tuesday in Gujarati?
मंगलवार,
What is Wednesday in Gujarati?
बुधवार,
What is Thursday in Gujarati?
गुरुवार,
What is Friday in Gujarati?
शुक्रवार,
What is Saturday in Gujarati?
शनिवार,
What is Sunday in Gujarati?
रविवार.
Your week in one breath. Now say the whole week with me like a champion of calendars. Monday,
सोमवार,
Tuesday,
मंगलवार,
Wednesday,
बुधवार,
Thursday,
गुरुवार,
Friday,
शुक्रवार,
Saturday,
शनिवार,
Sunday.
रविवार.
Very nice. Your calendar is now bilingual. Friendly goodbye. You did it. The week survived, and so did you. Thanks for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
सोमवार, मंगलवार, बुधवार, गुरुवार, शुक्रवार, शनिवार,
And
रविवार.
out loud during your day. Try using one word each morning, repeat the full list tonight, and come back anytime for another fun practice round.